name is Hasti, Public Relations Specialist at Threesten. Here is Threesten, and we are a manufacturer of wood and resin products. To stay in the loop about our latest creations, please give us a like and subscribe. You can also connect with us on our social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram and more. We are so excited to introduce our company to you. We are a team of furniture enthusiasts who love creating wood and epoxy products. We have been pouring our hearts into this craft for over a decade and finding joy and relief in every piece we make. So, we are going to share this positive energy with you through our top-notch resin and wood products. We are based in Antalya, Turkey, but we have some branches in America, Europe, and almost Dubai. So, we can ship our products to you quickly and safely, no matter where you are. Take a peek at our shop and you will find a delightful selection of wooden and resin tables, chairs, charming accessories like cutting board, serving board and wall clocks. We are here to support you 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Please feel free to visit our website and online store, and then you can place your order there. And we will be honored to follow us on our social media platforms. Then you can see the links below this video.